Hi there, and today we're going to learn how to make click interactions in Wix Studio. So having click interactions is a great feature to use in your website so that you can improve on the design of your website and then make your website look more dynamic. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and I have different elements right here. I have the text, I have this shape right here that also has a text, and then I have this image. So for example, I want to create a click interaction or like a click animation to this image. So make sure you are selecting the image, open the inspector tool, and then go right here to animations and effects. And then we will select this one, the click option right here. So I already have an animation. Let's just remove this first. And as you can see right here, it has the description that clicking on an element will trigger an animation. So let's add that animation right here. Click on the add button, and then we have different animations right here. We have the expand animation, the shrink animation, and you can see the animation right here, the skew animation, the rotate, the move animation, the twist, the fade, and then the appear. So choose the animation that you want. For example, I want this expand animation, and then you can choose the animated element right here. So in this case, we are selecting the image, and then we have this option right here, the on click. So we have three options. We will toggle the animation on and off, we will start the animation, or we will reset the animation. So let's first check the toggle on and off, and then you can click on adjust animation if you want to change some settings right here. So for example, if you want to expand from current position or into a current position, so it just depends on your preference. So for example, I'll make the scale into 130%, the duration 0.3 seconds, the delay is 0. And then if I click on preview, and then I click on this image, as you can see, it triggers the animation on and off. But if I change the on click animation into start animation, when I click on the image, it will just start the animation, and then we don't have the option to toggle the animation on and off. So it just stays like that. So I prefer the toggle on and off on click animation right here. And then if you want to change the animation, so just go ahead and click another one. For example, shrink, go to adjust. I'll make this into 85%, and the duration, I'll make it like 1 second, and then click on preview, and then let's click on the image. Then as you can see, it toggles the animation on and off whenever we click on the image. So that is how we create click interactions here in Wix Studio. Another way is that since we are using templates right here or presets, we can also create custom animations. So for example, I will create a custom animation for this image right here. So let's just remove this first. Then click on custom, and then click on create custom animation. So we have more properties or settings that we can use when we are having a custom animation. So for example, we can rotate the image, for example, to 10 degrees, and then maybe let's make this into -10. And then for the scale, let's make this 110%. Then for the skew, we'll make it like that. And then for the background, we can have a background right here. And then for the border, let's add a border. Let's make the border into maybe a blue color. And then let's add the width. Then the corners, will make it 20 pixels. so that we have rounded corners. And for the shadow, we can apply a shadow right here and then have the shadow display like that. Change the distance, and then we can now click on done. So I have this custom animation, and then whenever I preview and then click on the image, as you can see, it now has this click interaction right here, or click animation. So that is how we use click interactions or click animations in Wix Studio. So you can do this to different elements in your websites. For example, right here for the shape, I can also add a click animation. So I'll just make this circle rotate, then maybe 30 degrees. And then toggle on and off. And then when I click on the shape right here, as you can see, it rotates the left and to the right. And that is it. That is how we use click interactions. Hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.